Hey guys, if you want to see my nails from this to this, ooh la la, keep watching. Alrighty world, let's get into it. So the first item you see here is my Polygel nail kit that I ordered off of Amazon. It comes with a application guide, which I am so thankful for because honey, mama needed it. Next you'll see my 4 colors that I select with a top coat bottle to the side. At the bottom there's a bottom coat, like I guess a base foundation, the plastic nail guides, dip brush, some nail files. Honey, the kit is everything. Just simply get it. Next item that I ordered off of Amazon as well is the UV LED nail lamp. That item, I love it. It's the perfect size, not that expensive, and super easy to assemble, to which you'll see next, which was very easy. But anyway guys, that link for the item I will have in the description box as well. Alrighty, so I'm simply just going to place my application guide to the side because I'm definitely going to need that. The color I'm selecting is white. Why not have white nails? I'm definitely going to need my dip brush, and then of course I'm just going to simply grab the entire bottom tray to start off. Next, you're simply going to need some alcohol, preferably 70% or higher. And of course, now I have washed my hands and dried them, and now I'm simply going to shape my natural nails. So that way they're easier to measure, if that makes any sense. Yes. So for better measurements, I'm simply just going to clean up and shape up my nails. Also, guys, I forgot to mention that I had a past experience with like nipping or just clearing the cuticle. So I totally skipped that stage. Like, I do not clean up or shape up my cuticle lines. It freaks me out. Alright, after I have shaped up my nails, I'm simply going to grab my foundation polish and place that to the side because I'm definitely going to need that after I measure my nails. When measuring for your nails, you want to select the nail guide, plastic nail guide that's larger than your natural nails. Simply because it's much easier to clean up the gel if it spills over. And then two, it just looks a lot neater. Alrighty, in my kit, my dip brush is actually 2 sides. It's one side dip brush, and then the other side is a gel scraper, which is super awesome and something you're definitely going to need. Next, I'm simply going to apply the base, I think it's the base coat on my nail and cure that. Okie dokie, so the next step is to grab the color that I select, and of course it's white. I'm going to squeeze that onto the plastic nail guide, and then after I squeeze what I think is about a good amount for me, since I'm a beginner and this is my first time, I am going to dip my brush into the alcohol solution, just being very careful not to have too much, and yeah. So then the alcohol simply helps spread the gel onto the plastic nail guide. I did not know this feature about the nail guide, but my nails, the plastic nail, have lines or like a grid to help me measure out or how long I would want my nails to be, which I think is super awesome. So I'm really happy I select that kit. I wanted a little bit more of the gel, so I'm just going to add just a teensy bit more to help me make my nails a little bit longer. once I have the gel length to my liking, I'm going to apply that to my cured nail. And then I'm going to lightly press down a little bit. However, I noticed that the gel was spilling to the sides. I'm simply going to clean that up with my dip brush. And then also, if need be, I would dip it. Okay. All right, okay. I'm just going to simply clean it up with alcohol solution as well. Once the nail is clean, you're going to cure the nail for at least 60 seconds. Alrighty, once the nail has cured, you're gonna pop off the plastic nail, and I'm so nervous, but it worked! It worked, guys! Yay! Congratulations to me! My first time, and it worked. I wish I would have had my electric nail filer because it would have saved so much time. Now that my nail is to my liking, I am going to apply the last coat, which is the top coat. After applying the top coat, I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds. And this is the final touch. For my thumbnail, I wish I would have cleaned it up a little bit more, but again, guys, this is my first time. So I'm simply going to repeat. I'm simply going to repeat all the stages once again for the rest of my nails. Alrighty, so now that all my nails are complete, I finally have the correct coating, which is the top coat, which they call top it off. That is the very last coat that you need before finalizing and solidifying everything as far as your nails. So I'm just simply going to apply that to all my nails and then place one hand at a time under the lamp for about 60 seconds once again. And then after that, I will be complete with my first nails set gel. I don't know. You know what? I don't know. It's my first gel set, okay, guys? And I did it all by myself. If by any chance you all have used or tried the Polygel set kit, just comment down below or either like, share, and don't forget to most importantly subscribe. Thank you all for watching.